uMake now has a rendering mode that enables you to give a more realistic look to your designs. Simply tap the sparkle icon to start rendering. uMake will begin rendering the scene with accurate shadows and lighting. The thin blue bar at the top of the interface indicates the progress of the rendering. You can use your finger or stylus to move the scene around to get the perfect angle. To change the settings of the rendering, enter into the render settings located in the side panel. Under Quality, you can let uMake optimize performance by using the Automatic Quality option, or you can use a slider to choose between Energy Saver to Best Quality. Visualization settings can be used to change the shadows and environmental parameters. Under Lighting, each preset can be further adjusted to create a completely unique feel for your scene. You can also quickly save your rendering using Save as Photo. In addition to this, you can use the Views panel to create saved views and toggle between them, and change camera settings for a custom look.